In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert mathematics and physics symbols into Microsoft Word by shortcut method. This is a fantastic way to save time and make your documents look professional, especially if you often need to include complex symbols for equations, formulas, or scientific notation. Whether you're a student tackling homework, a teacher preparing materials, or a professional drafting technical reports, mastering this method can streamline your work significantly. To get started, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open the file where you want to use these symbols. It's important to have your document open first, because all the settings and changes will be applied directly within Word. Once your document is ready, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This tab is located next to the Home button and opens the Backstage view where you can access all of Word's configuration options. From Schirmüberwachung, File menu, scroll down and select Options. Clicking this will open the Word Options dialog box, which allows you to customize Word's behavior extensively. In this window, look for the Proofing section on the left-hand side. Proofing controls everything related to spelling, grammar, and autocorrections. Within Proofing, locate the button labeled Autocorrect Options and click on it. This will open a new window where you can adjust and create shortcuts for symbols. Inside the Autocorrect window, navigate to the tab labeled Math Autocorrect. This section is where the shortcut magic happens. Here, you'll find a wide range of predefined shortcuts for mathematical and physics symbols. You can scroll through the list to discover the symbols you use most often, or search for a specific symbol if you have a particular one in mind. Each entry shows the text shortcut and the symbol it generates, making it easy to understand and implement. Once you've identified the symbols you want to use, you can start typing the corresponding shortcut in your document, and Word will automatically replace it with the symbol. This allows you to insert fractions, Greek letters, operators, and other technical symbols quickly and accurately without navigating multiple menus. With practice, using these shortcuts will become second nature, saving you considerable time and effort. By configuring these math autocorrect options, you now have a toolkit that makes inserting complex mathematics and physics symbols straightforward and efficient. This feature ensures your documents remain accurate, professional, and easy to read, while also keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.